Hello.
Hi. How are you today?
We are fine.
During this energy shift that we're going through, is it having a physical effect on our bodies?
When you are speaking of the energy shift, because this planet goes through many energy shifts, is there a specific thing that you are speaking of? A specific thing you have heard of or are feeling yourself?
Yeah, more feeling myself. Lately, I have been more anxious than normal. And the people around me that I'm acquainted with have been going through some very extreme situations in their lives.
Okay.
With family and, well, the ones that I'm thinking of right offhand, it's really strained relationships with family.
Yes. We believe this is just part of a cycle versus a major energy shift.
Okay.
It is more of just part of the ending cycle that is going on at this time through the planet. And it also has to do with the seasons as well. It is a time period of cleaning out, of getting rid of. And people are feeling this. A lot of them are unaware of why they're feeling what they're feeling. They're just emotionally going through upheavals and sensing that they should get rid of things and change things in their lives. And it's correct. They are picking up on the right energy. They are following through on what they should be doing. So even though it feels disruptive, it is appropriate behavior for the time period and for the energetic field that the planet is feeling at this time. There is a wanting to change. There is a wanting to improve people's lives. People are wanting people in their lives. They're wanting people out of their lives. They're wanting emotional stability. And at this time, it's not a time for emotional stability. It is a time for instability. So when people are feeling this, they should follow through. They should go along with it. And not try to be stable right now.
Okay.
Because that's what causes the pain. That's what causes the disruption, is fighting against nature. Instead, going with this energy shift, going with this upheaval.
Okay. Thank you.